Many times, the information that we have on a certain matter is not enough. And so, even though there is no end to learning and to studying and to getting information, the actual doing, the putting to work of what has been learned is the real deal. Because until action follows that which is known may never become a reality that can be experienced. My name is Akiwale Ekundayo, and this is my invitation to you to join this membership course that is meant to walk you through life from where you are to where you need to be. It's titled From Here to There, From Here to There. And the reason is because beyond the knowledge that you have, beyond the information that is available to you, we want to be able to walk you through each stage of your restoration, of your development, and of your growth till you get to the place where you can actually be that man, that woman of value, that man and that woman that becomes indispensable in an environment where you find yourself. So it's going to be stretching. It's going to stretch for as long as it can. And how long you stay with us in this course is dependent on you. It's the subscription is three months. And so if you are okay at the end of the 3 months, you can stop. But I can bet you that if you join, you will stay on until you are able to get to somewhere significant. Part of the things that we're going to be looking at is you as an individual. Why are you on earth? What's the extra reason for bringing you here when there are already over 8 billion people on the planet Earth? That answer, the answer to that question, will form the foundations for many of the things that we are going to be discussing in this course. You see, after that, then we look at you in the context of the family that God has placed you in. Then we look at you in the context of the family that God has placed you in. Why are you in that family? What is your role in that family? And how are the dynamics in that family affecting the kind of person that you are? How can it affect the kind of person that you will be in the future? Next, we're going to be looking at what are the things that are ongoing in your life that shouldn't be so. Things that are no longer operating according to the original design, that requires some kind of restoration. Your finances, your well-being, your socio-cultural perspectives or status in life, or your spiritual life. We're going to look at that and address those issues one after the other. Having done these three things, we will also be going through to now in your relationship with the one who has made you, what exactly is he expecting from you? This speaks to what are the expectations of God for you as an individual. What does he expect you to do? And when life would have been done and over, would you be meeting your God and Creator without any question? Will you be bold enough to meet him and be fulfilling his counsel concerning your life? And lastly, having gone through all that, your entire person is in place, you are secured within the family structure, and everything that requires restoration in your life may have been taken care of, and now you know your Maker better than you have known him before, and you understand him. Now you can take the place of leadership. You can now be entrusted with certain responsibility. You can be entrusted with the tasks to bring certain change in certain areas. And then you can become the man or the woman for your nation, the man or the woman for your environment or community, the man or the woman for your family, or the man and the woman for wherever it is that God would want to put you to work. This membership course is meant to walk you through this entire spectrum from the beginning all the way to the end. In between, there will be many other extras, many additions, issues that are not even captured within this course that may be natural things, they will be discussed, issues that may be popping up as we are evolving as a human race. Every other things that may be affecting you, financially, that may be affecting you vocationally, that may be affecting your career, that may be affecting your work, that may be affecting every part of your life, will be investigated with a view to bringing solutions to them in a manner that will bring peace. So we implore you to join in this cohort. You don't have to join all the entire length. Just start with the first, subscription of 3 months. And see for yourself whether it's something that you want to follow through all the way till the end, We can assure you that the moment you join, you will indeed find a whole lot of value like you've never seen it before in this membership. This is not like some mentoring or some kind of coaching that just keeps repeating the same thing you already know. This is completely different because it is putting you and the calling of God on your life in the center of this entire piece. We look forward to seeing you in the class.